Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 117 Taylor Road. This is a good sized, spacious 3-bedroom property with a delightful garden to the rear as well. And then moving into the property, we've got the hallway with the stairs going up to the first floor. And then we have 2 separate reception rooms and the kitchen. So the first one here, facing towards the front of the property, lovely large bay window. And then across to the next reception room, again, really nice size, lovely feature fireplace. And then this takes us through to the rear lean-to, where there are sliding doors out to the garden. And across to the kitchen. A space here for a table and chairs, integrated cooker, gas hob and extractor. We have a door to the side lean-to, which then leads around to the utility area, and we have a door going into the understairs storage area with additional shelving space and wall-mounted gas boiler. Useful space for further storage. So then just in the side lean-to, we have the utility area on the right hand side where there is plumbing for a washing machine. Then we have a door going out into the rear garden. Okay, then onto the first floor, and we have the half landing area where there is a separate toilet. And then up onto the main landing where we've got a loft access point, and then 3 good sized bedrooms and the shower room. So the first bedroom here, which has an aspect to the rear of the property. Then we have another bedroom here, again facing towards the rear. A nice sized double room. And then across to the next bedroom, again a good double size, this one facing towards the front of the house. And then into the shower room where we have a wash basin in the corner and a good size walk-in shower with folding door. And then moving out into the rear garden, we have a decked seating area with a couple of steps down to the main lawned garden. Very good sized garden, further decked seating space. Then there's a gravelled orchard area and a shed towards the rear boundary. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call us as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.